Hi everyone, and welcome back to Ms. Drum's Speech and Language Room. Today we're going to be talking about some additional features with Google's Read and Write extension. In the last video, we looked at how to install the extension and how to use it within Google Docs. Today we're going to talk about changing some settings with it and how to use it when on just a regular website. To get started, you're going to go up to our little read and write puzzle piece that has RW on it and click on it. And you'll see a box that drops down that looks similar to the one in Google Docs, except for it's not attached to the bar up here. To start, if you want to listen to text on a website, this you actually have to highlight what you want to listen to. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight this. And then just push play.
A basketball court is an odd place to dance ballet or for a star ballerina to be discovered. But it was on a court at a boys' and...
So I'm going to stop there because I've decided that it's a little too slow reading it and I want a different voice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here to this drop down arrow and click on it and go down to options. Click on that and you'll see a box that pops up that says speech at the top of it. There are a few different things that you can do here. The first, under voice, is you can change the voice you're hearing. There are several different ones. You can even do British accents. So we'll select Serena. Then I want it to read a little bit faster. So I'm going to move my little bubble in speed closer to the 100. Moving it to the 100 makes it really fast. So let's show what that looks like. You can also click continuous reading, which I prefer, but you can uncheck it and that sort of makes it stop after each sentence. So let's see what it sounds like with our British accent sped up. Highlight my text again and hit play.
A basketball court is an odd place to dance ballet or for a star ballerina to be discovered. But it was on a court at a boys and girls club in San Pedro, California, that Misty Copeland took her first ballet class.
Oh, that is much too fast. So I need to change it back. I'm going to click on the arrow again, go to options, and I'm going to move my speed down to 50. I tend to think somewhere between 40 and 60 is the ideal speed for reading. It gives you a chance to listen to what they're saying, but it's not so slow that it sounds incredibly artificial. Obviously, it is a computer reading it, so it's going to sound somewhat artificial. I also like the voice US Samantha. I think it sounds the most natural of the voices, but that's just my personal preference. So I'm going to hit OK on that. Highlight again. And hit play.
A basketball court is an odd place to dance ballet or for a star ballerina to be discovered. But it was on a court at a boys and girls club in San Pedro, California, that Misty Copeland took her first ballet class.
All right, and I'm going to stop it there. Hope this was helpful, giving you an idea of how to change the speed or the voice so that it fits with kind of what you're looking for. And remember, if you're using on a website, you're going to highlight the text in order to have it read it to you. Otherwise, it starts to read all of the taskbars and everything else. Unuseful information to you. Thanks so much for listening. Have a good one.